Okay, this is how I make free caps, end caps for drip irrigation. This is an old piece that had drip emitters in it, but they always got clogged, so I chopped it up into little pieces. Now to start, this is a heat gun. That helps you get it started. Put about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch and just let it hold until it cools. That way it'll retain its shape. Here's a bunch that I already did. You can feel it flares out a little. It just helps you get started when you want to use an end cap. Oh, this is the end cap we're making, like this. So you put in a little piece of PEX into here, and then say you have your drip line here and you need to plug it up. Well, you can just fold it over, but that's basically what this does, folds over. But this is easy because you put it in and it just stops it for you, and that way you don't have to fold this, but you certainly could. You could add this little metal piece that I'm making. I'll show you how to make this. Start with a length of wire. Now, don't fold it in half. You want some here, okay? Then start here and start on the inside and go all the way around. You want to have a loop holding one side tight. Okay, so you have it like this. Here, you don't want to loop this. You want to leave it kind of open. See, I don't want to go all the way around. I want to leave this a gap. And then fold this over. And then get some pliers. And just let the tension out a little. So it's easy when you want to let go. When you want to take it off, you can push it down and there'll be a gap here. So what I do to make it safe, I bend it like this, grab the very tip and bend it so it can't poke anybody. Okay, and then do that over here. Okay, now when you want to use it, you can, I made this a little tight. It doesn't have to be that tight. So you can undo it to let the water flow. Like if you just have some end point that you want to flow, let it flow. Then if you want to turn it off, now this could be a valve in your garden, say. Like you could just, this could be the end of your hose right here. Here's your hose. These fit great in garden hoses. If you cut the end, the metal bit off a garden hose, you just slide this in the garden hose. Maybe use some wire to make it cinch on there really well, but that could be your end stop. And then when you want to let the water out, you just slide it off in there. And what this is, why this is cool, is its natural tendency. It wants to slide down, if anything, because this is a letter V that wants to open up like this. It wants to open, and so that just pushes it down and makes it stronger. It's not going to slip off, and it just gets stronger and stronger as it goes into the V. So you have to like push this down, and then I made this too tight, this little loop, a little bit too tight, but you could leave it on the end and then just let it go, push it in. And that's a cheap valve or an end stop. I'm going to use 10 of these on the manifold in my previous video.